So you have decided that you want to start dropshipping on eBay, but you don't want to get banned because you think that dropshipping is not allowed on eBay. But I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years and I have never got banned because of doing dropshipping. Okay, I got banned because of other reasons, which I'm going to tell you in this video. And I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can start eBay dropshipping from scratch. And you can do this even if you are a beginner with no money. You can start eBay dropshipping using these simple steps that I'm about to show you in this video. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, is to find a supplier to start doing eBay dropshipping. And if you don't want to get banned because of supplier, don't use Amazon, don't use Walmart, don't use Lowe's. These websites will get your account banned. And you may say, okay, why? A lot of people do the same thing. Yeah, they do that, but they get cut. Like after like a few months, they make some money and then their account is banned. It's gone and it's not a reliable business. Like you want to start a business that is reliable, you can rely on it so that you can make the most money possible, you can scale it. Now, I tried all the suppliers like Amazon and a lot of other suppliers, but my account gets banned easily using Amazon. I don't know why. A lot of people leave a negative feedback on my listing, when I list an item from Amazon. A lot of people tell you that it came from Amazon. That's not what you want, guys. You want to go with AliExpress, which is the best website, the best supplier in the world. It has the best items, like cheap items. On Amazon, you can't make a lot of money on the profit margin is very low, like 10%, 20%, because of a lot of competitors. Like a lot of people do the same thing. They go with Amazon because it's a popular website. Now with AliExpress, there are less competitors and the website is the best. Like a lot of people use it. It's the biggest Chinese website in the world. And you may say, okay, the AliExpress is very AliExpress is Chinese, so the shipping time is going to be so long. I will tell you that nobody really cares about the shipping time. 99% of the people that I have sold the item to on eBay, they don't really care. Like most customers, they don't really care about the shipping time. They just want to find an item, a cheap item. They don't really care. This is really the first listing I have listed on my eBay store. This Akrapovic. It's like this, like the same Akrapovic, and that's how I got my first sale on eBay, like 4 years ago or 5 years ago. Now that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. You want to use AliExpress, like I said, and the mistakes that you should avoid is whenever you place an order on AliExpress. By the way, buying from AliExpress is very easy. Like anyone can buy from AliExpress. Just open item and then click buy now, and then you add the new address, payment, or place order. That's it. Now, after you place the order, go to your products and then contact the seller. When you click on my orders, you will find the orders here. So I am using a new account right now. Click on the item, you will find a message button. Click on it and then tell the supplier that, hi, I am a drop shipper. Please don't ship the item with the original price. Now that's all you need to do, guys. That's the buyer that has bought an item from your store. They won't know that they are the item is cheaper on other websites. Okay. Now next thing, guys, you want to find a winning product. Like finding a winning product on AliExpress is the same as finding a winning product on other websites like Amazon. And yeah, you just want to find a random product and then copy the title. Like any product you see on AliExpress, copy the title and search for it on eBay. Now the reason why you need to search for it on eBay, not because you want to find that product specifically, you just want to find competitors that are using AliExpress so that you can copy them. Yeah, that's all I do, guys, is copying others, and they have done $100,000 in sales. Yeah, I'm not like doing crazy numbers like other YouTubers, like millions of dollars, but currently I know, guys, how this business works. So you can easily like make $2,000, $3,000 a month with this business if you put in the work. Like if you just work, you can easily do that. Now the first thing, like I said, is to search for a random product. And what you need to do, guys, you want to go to eBay and then see what other sellers are doing in their store. Like this product will make it easier for us to find our competitors. We don't care about this product. If we find it, that's fine. If we don't find it, we just want to find dropshippers who are using AliExpress so that we can copy them. We can copy the most successful listing on their store. We don't want to find a seller who is not successful. We want to find someone who is successful and is a dropshipper. How we can know if someone is a dropshipper? If the location of the item is China, and then you click the username in the top and in the right, and then you click on about, as you can see. If the location is somewhere else, not China, then this person is a dropshipper. As you can see, the item location is China, so this person is not a dropshipper. This person owns the stock, like he has the stock in his house, and then whenever someone places an order, he sends the item directly to them. Now you want to find a dropshipper. Like I said, currently we didn't find a dropshipper. This is the only hard part about finding a winning product. This is the only hard part with dropshipping, is to find a winning product. Now, like I said, you just want to find, if you can find someone who is a dropshipper, find another product on AliExpress and search for that item. Okay, for example, I will go with this one. Let's see this one. It's not, yeah, I will go with this one. Okay, now I'm going to search for it. Okay, I'm going to search for it right now, and I'll see if I can find dropshippers. Now this is the only hard part. This is the item. As you can see, it's from Australia, so the item location is Australia. So probably this person bought a stock, and then he starts selling it. Let's see about Italy. Okay, this guy from Italy, and the item location is from Australia. Now we don't want that. We want to find someone who is selling items. The item location, we focus on item location and the seller location. The item location has to be China, and the seller location has to be somewhere else, somewhere else, like United States or other countries. Now I'll just find another product so that we can find our competitors on AliExpress. Now, for example, this one, I'll go with this one, and then copy the title, go to AliExpress, go to eBay, and search for competitors. Now it says we want to find someone who is from China. As you can see, United Kingdom, we don't want that. United States, we don't want that. We want to find someone who is selling from China. This one from China, and he has 3 feedback. As you can see, the item location is from China, and the shop location, it's about Israel. So this guy is a dropshipper, so we have to copy this guy. Now don't just copy everything he lists. You have to copy the product that he is selling the most. Okay, see all, click on see all at the very bottom, and then click sold items, and only list the products that are sold. Okay, this one was sold, it's out of stock. This one again was sold, only sold items. Okay, this one again. That's it, guys. You just want to find the sold items and then start listing. Okay, after you click on sold, as you can see, sold completed items, that's the items that you have to list. Now after you find the product, search for it on AliExpress. You can just click you can just right click on the picture and then click search image with Google, and it will show you guys the websites that selling this item. As you can see, AliExpress, as you can see AliExpress, click on it, and this is the product. Now it's selling for $20 and the item is selling for $46. So what you need to do, guys, you want to find, like I said, this same item and then start selling this item. Now you want to just download these pictures from AliExpress. You want to download this extension. It's called download AliExpress photos, and click the first extension, and you want to add the extension so that you can download photos. Click on add in the right, and now whenever you open now the AliExpress, whenever you open an item on AliExpress, you will find here download main images, and then you can start selling on eBay. Now if you don't know, guys, how to list an item from AliExpress to eBay, I will just go to YouTube and then search how to list an item. After you do that, of course, after you find a winning product the way I showed you from AliExpress, how to list on eBay. Okay, how to list an item on eBay from AliExpress, and you will find here listing products from AliExpress to eBay. As you can see, this video, you can just do the same steps as this video. This is the title of the video. As you can see, this is a channel, and that's all you need to do, guys, to start eBay dropshipping without getting banned. If this video, guys, helped you, drop a like. So I have a lot of businesses going on, but I have tried my best to make this video. So if you appreciate that, please drop a like on this video and leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video.